lot of things, Isabella.
What?
Never mind.
What I mean is, why have you been talking to that weirdo Alfred?
He's not a weirdo, Isabella. He's my friend.
I'm good.
Okay, you can be different at times.
At times, he's a weirdo, Daisy.
He looks like he needs a friend.
But why do you have to be his friend? Can't someone else be his friend?
Ow! Bud, that's it! Ow! I fell on the steps!
Jesus would be Alfred's friend, so I'm going to be Alfred's friend too.
Who's Jesus?
Jesus was the Savior of the world. He came to earth as a baby, grew up, and died a horrible death on the cross. And he rose again, so he lives today. He died for me, and he died for you. He died for our sins, the things we do wrong. He cared about everyone then, and he still does, no matter who they are. He loves me, and you, and Alfred.
I never knew that.
Jesus says we are all so special to him, like sheep to a shepherd. We're supposed to follow him, but sometimes sheep are lost.
What happens if one sheep gets lost?
Here, we look 15, 4 through 6.
Suppose one of you had 100 sheep and lost one. Wouldn't you leave the 99 in the wilderness and go after the lost one until you found it? When found, you can be sure you put it across your shoulders, rejoicing. And when you got home, call in your friends and neighbors, saying, "Celebrate with me, I found my lost sheep." You mean he'll leave all the other sheep just to find the lost sheep?
Yes, no matter what.
So does that make Alfred a lost sheep?
Kind of. We're all lost until we accept his love. It's called salvation.
What foundation?
Not foundation, it's salvation.
So what's salvation?
You ask Jesus into your life. You try to live your life like him, putting others before yourself. That's what I'm doing by being friends with Alfred.
Woo! Yeah, woo! Woo!
Can you help me to ask Jesus into my life? I don't want to be a lost sheep anymore.
Sure, and then why don't you come to church with me on Sunday? You can talk to my pastor.